The next technique is CSMA CA, carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. Collision is avoided by three different techniques. The first one is IFS, interframe space. The second strategy is called as contention window, and third strategy is by using acknowledgements. Here what happens, you can see the station continuously senses for the channel idleness. Once it is found idle, it won't send any data, it won't send any frame. What it does is it waits for IFS amount of time. It waits for IFS amount of time for the first time, and second time, even though after waiting IFS amount of time, even for second time it again checks for the channel. Even if channel is free, again it won't send the frame. What it does is it again is a strategy called as contention window. The contention window, what it will do is time is divided into slots. It checks for the channel and waits for one slot, and second time again it checks for the channel and waits for two slots, and if again channel is busy, the third time it waits for four slots, and again it doubles. Every time it doubles. Each time it checks for the channel and the slot, it doubles the slots. And once it is fine idle, channel is fine idle, it won't send any frame. Again it waits for the acknowledgements by using RTS and CTS signals. You can see in this flow diagram, it is very clear in this flow diagram. Here a station has a frame to send, checks for the channel. Even though if channel is free, what it will do is it waits for the IFS amount of time. Second, it uses the, again if check for the channel, again it is the contention window, as we have seen earlier. Each time the slot is doubled. And third, this is very important, this is acknowledgement, RTS and CTS signals. The RTS and CTS signals, you can see use of RTS. Send RTS, request to send. RTS means request to send. It sends a request, either I can send a frame. Once you get CTS, that is clear to send, you can send a frame. After waiting IFS of amount of time, you can send a frame. CTS is clear to send. RTS is request to send. The RTS is request to send. CTS is clear to send. Now everything is clear. You can send station can send a frame. Send a frame, wait for the acknowledgement, and rest all is same. Wait for the acknowledgement. If you want to get acknowledgement, and increase the number of attempts. You can increase the number of attempts till you reach the maximum limit. They can take many chances. This is what is the difference between the other protocols and this protocol. That is use of, first one is it waits for IFS amount of time, and second is this contention window. Each time doubles the slots, and third one is the use of RTS and CTS, request to send its acknowledgements, making clear that is channel is free. Same thing you can see in flow diagram. We have explained in flow diagram. Station A is the source, station B is the destination. Station A is, after waiting for DIFS amount of time, DCF interframe space. DIFS is called as DIF. What is in general DIFS amount of time? It waits for DIFS amount of time and sends RTS signal, request to send signal. And once it is B sends a clear to send, destination sends a clear to send, it sends a data. After waiting IFS, before the source and destination is IFS amount of time before sending either RTS frame or CTS frame. Now you can see here. A sends a RTS frame, request to send frame. B sends a CTS, that is it is clear to send. Once it is clear to send, A sends a data and gets the acknowledgement from the destination. This is how collision is avoided in CSMA CA technique. Thank you.